Hello everyone, welcome to Property Experts where we provide you information related to property in a sensible manner. Hence, before purchasing property worth lakhs and crores of rupees, please do watch our videos to never fall in any sort of a scam or a fraud. Well, real estate market in India, it is categorized into three basic parts, which is the motion residential or the land when we talk about all these three commercial residential and the land there, then further subdivided when we talk about residential or commercial. They would be divided in parts as in whether it is a new property. New properties as in directly by the developers or it is from the resale market. Resale market when we talk about the land in agriculture land or the plotted development when we talk about the plotted development offered by a builder, that is where investment can be made. When we talk about agricultural land or plantation, such kind of land cannot be purchased by an NRI. So the only restriction which RBI has given is that NRI cannot purchase or cannot buy agricultural land now. And any NRI account, I can buy the property through the NRO or NRI account. Only which is used to buy these properties has to come through the NRI account, FC. NRI account as well. So the real estate wherein the money is in 14 be it the commercial be it the residential be it clotted development and the acquired by either by direct purchase, by inheritance for buy gift or NRI can buy a property from another NRI. Also if it has bought as proper procedure RBI guidelines, please. NRI purchases are the guidelines of Reserve Bank of India and the FAME guidelines for an exchange management act has certain or the rules which govern the purchases made by the NRI talk about the legal diligence. It's not just for NRI report. It would be for people staying in India as well. But yes, it becomes more important for the non-resident Indian who are staying very far from the country. Majority of the time, NRI either depend on the promises which are made by the seller, has been correct builder, or else they depend on their relatives or friends. Very important when we talk about legal due diligence, it has two aspects. The first, when I'm trying to buy a property directly from the developer, or am I buying a property from the Secondary Market Regulation Act being in place, it is not difficult to find out the authenticity of a project. So, not much of exercise or legal due diligence need to be done when you're buying a property directly from the developer. However, if you are buying a property from the second market, this can be a flat in RWA. This can be an independent house, it can be an independent house as well, or a shop, or whatever. In such a case, very important starting from basic NB. Independent, very important. Starting from basic as small as taxes of the property, electricity bill, nutrition, whether the seller is in the actual owner, any litigation that is pending for that particular property, all these aspects need to be taken into consideration if you are purchasing or buying a property from the secondary market. When we talk about property, you can also have the information from the concerned real estate regulatory authorities website. When we talk about the documentation process, in case of a new project, there is no specific in getting into details of land maps and other things. The first and the foremost important is whether the land is being sold by the developer or not. That you need to contact the authority, get the phone, you get it checked through any social or the local advocate or a real estate professional who's dealing in that project. Is that is one. Second, whether the approvals has already been taken or not. Today is not the D market where you have to invest in such a soft landed project. A project which is just on map for a project which is not yet started. Do not start investing in such a project when we talk about the secondary market. As I have said, starting from the validation of the shield, the validation of the mutation, whether he owns its spoons or not, find it there. Any printing litigation. All these need to be checked in secondary market properties. Again, if you are buying a flat which is in a group housing society, you need to check whether the property has been registered or not. Either you are selling it on the builder or you're buying it on the builder fire agreement, or you're buying it after the registry. It will be done in both the cases. It will change if you're buying it from the builder by agreement itself. We have not done yet the process that should be first builder by agreement need to be changed and post that the registry will be done in your favor. In case of registry already done, the registration will directly be on your name through the seller representative and a legal represent. This power of attorney need to be executed in presence of the Earth Commissioner of the concerned embassy, drafted and then get it representative India in the US and send it to the concerned people back in India. That needs to be stamped in the concerned authority's office. Then it can be used to put for getting the property transfer purchase a Hindu concerned authorities office, and it can be used put to use for getting the property transfer purchase mediation or file a complaint and seek the desired relief through real estate regulation authority. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you in learning a lot of things. Please do watch all our
Related help,
videos so that
please
you have no
contact
doubts
us.
regarding property.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.